Hi guys, today I will explain how to add color matte in Premiere Pro. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is open the application and open a project in which you want to add your color matte. And once you do all these things, next thing is look for this option, which is called New Item. And once you find, just click on it. And here you can find the option of color matte, just click on it. You have to select your width and height and click on the option, OK. Now select the color, like I will select white. And now click on the option, OK. You can also enter the name of your matte, but I will let it be on as it is. And click on OK. Here you can see the color matte has been created. Now tap and take it, and paste it on that part where you want to add it. Now it has been added. I will take the timeline on color matte, and here you can see the matte has been added. Now click on it, tap on the option effect control, and arrange the size. You can also add animations, and you can move it from left to right, or top to bottom. And it was the way by which you can add color matte in Premiere Pro.